In this video we will look at an improvement implemented in Panopticon version 2021.2 related to how you interact with the software when you want to add variables to a visualization. I have a tree map with a breakdown and some category coloring. Now if I'd like to add a size variable, I grab a numeric column down here and I drop it on the size pill, and it takes me to a panel that is all about size settings. If I want to add a second column to size as a secondary option, it used to be that I again had to drag it all the way up to the size pill, but the new thing is that I can drag it directly here in the settings panel. Likewise, if at this point I want to add something to color, like one day change, I drag it to the color pill to switch panel. But now as I am in the color settings panel, the next column I want to add to color, I can drag either to the pill or directly onto the panel here.